Ooh, ooh, got him. Ooh, he's big creek chub. Big creek chub. Ooh, big creek chub. Oh, it's a bass. Ooh, yeah, it's a smallmouth. Yeah, look, smallmouth. Oh, yeah, perfect. Didn't even have to unhook him. Dang, good sized smallmouth. Dude, if you fish like, you can't see where I am, but see where those weeds are? Yeah. If you cast like 3 feet in front of that, steady retrieve it back, I guarantee you will catch one. There's so many right there. So it was a Ned rig, crawfish imitation. Show you guys how it's done catching those big bass. Ooh, he's going for it, he's going for it. Oh, got him. Yeah, just like that. That's how you catch them, boys. Oh, it's a creek chub. Oh, no, it's a bluegill. Yeah, you know what, guys? A fish is a fish. I'll still put this on YouTube. Look at that. Beautiful little guy. Got him. Got him. Big bass. Big bass. Oh, yeah. Smacked him. Look at how fat he is. Isn't that awesome?